Stop scrolling. EXL is hiring data science and AI freshers, and this could be your breakthrough opportunity in 2026. EXL is a global analytics and AI driven company working with Fortune 500 clients across data science, machine learning, and AI solutions. This role is for freshers interested in Python, SQL, machine learning, NLP, and generative AI. EXL looks for strong fundamentals, hands on projects, GitHub activity, and coding practice on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. You'll need to upload your resume, share your coding profiles, GitHub projects, and clearly explain at least one AI, NLP, or Gen AI project. Avoid generic answers. Talk about real problems you solved, data sets you used, models you trained, and what you learned. If you're serious about data science and AI, apply now. Follow this channel for daily hiring updates, resume tips, and project ideas.